Welding FAQs, Part 2 of 4, with a pair of commonly asked questions. Why is it when I try welding the tube joint, I keep melting holes and cannot keep the weld going? We call this blow-through. The most common cause of this is gaps between the tubes being welded. Stainless steel is notorious for this. When prepping your joints, care must be taken to have perfectly flat surfaces. Two good methods for checking fitment are: 1. Hold the joint up to a light. If you see light poking through, you have too large of a gap. 2. You can also hold the two tubes in your hands and rock them back and forth. If you feel even the slightest movement, you have too large of a gap. Another popular question is, what is back purging and do I have to do it? When heated to welding temperatures, alloys such as stainless steel and Inconel are prone to the formation of oxides if not shielded from oxygen present in the air. Technically known as sugaring or noogies, these oxides will result in a poor weldment, characterized by a black crusty appearance of the weld metal on the inside, root of the pipe, and an irregular root cross-section. By filling the tube with argon gas, or back purging, the backside of the weld is purged of oxygen, preventing the oxides from forming. If you have a question you would like to add, please send it to vince@burnsstainless.com.